Hello my creative friends, Jessica Sanders here of ColorMeCreativeArt.com. Welcome back to my channel and week 3 of Inktober 2018. Inktober was quite challenging for me this week. I had a lot of things going on at my day job and I only managed to get 4 out of my 5 drawings done this week. The first one I did was this sea urchin, and it was inspired by all the spots and dots on this little background that I've already created, and it was tedious is the best word I can think of to do all of those circles. I don't know, I was feeling a little bit impatient with it, to be honest, and so it felt tedious and a little bit hard to do, but I did do it, I did complete it, and I was pretty happy with the results, so it's all good, it's all good. That's the way it is sometimes, right? And my favorite part though was putting all the little white dots on with my Posca pen. I don't know, there's something to me about adding that white, bringing those highlights out that really, I don't know, it's just fun. It brings it to life, and so that part was fun. Then I decided to do a leaf the next day. These are all from my inspiration list, all of these ideas are, and so I'm just trying to be inspired by the background and use my idea list as a jumping off point. And of course it's fall, so leaves are a thing right now. I added quite a bit of red to this leaf to bring in that fall feeling and the idea of the changing colors of the leaves. It still has the green, it still has the yellow, but it's got that deep red, and I'm still using the Brusho, so all of the colors you see, those are all from those same 3 colors of Brusho: the crimson, the turquoise, and the yellow. I'm so impressed with the versatility of the watercolor crystals. It's really a lot of fun to play with them. And then I had to add some gold to this. I'm just obsessed with this gold. It is so beautiful and so fun to use with the dip pen and the splattering, and I'm just loving it. For the next day I did another flower. I did just one large flower on this very splattery turquoise background. I added a lot of weight to the petals. I wanted to thicken them up in some places, leave them thin in others, and just create that separation and that feeling of the weighted lines. That's really, I love the way that looks when you can successfully do that on a little drawing or a painting. Then I moved on to adding a little bit of shadow behind it. One thing I'm noticing with my Pitt pens is it does activate the Brusho when it goes over it. So what I'm having to do then is take my pen and color onto another sheet to get the Brusho off, because you can see there the blue of the Brusho being picked up with my Pitt pen. So I can easily clean off the nib on another piece of paper, so it works out just fine. It's not a real problem, but it's just something to know and be aware of, and that way when you're using your products, you know how they work together. So that's a great thing also about creating these small pieces, is that you can learn even more about the things that you have and you haven't messed up some big piece or something. And my last project for the week was, and the fourth one, is the feather. Now I was pretty happy with this feather. I was happy with the drawing, I'm happy with the inking, and thought it looked really cool. And then I did the background, and the background didn't look very nice, so I think I'll probably end up cutting out this feather and using it, you know, somewhere else. I could use it as an actual bookmark by itself. That would work pretty well. Or I could put it in an art journal or something. I don't know, I haven't decided, but I just know even now, a week later, I don't like the background still. So there you have it. But thanks so much for joining me for this week of Inktober. There are a couple more weeks to go, and I appreciate you hanging in there. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you'll know exactly when I post up a video, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.